respected Chairman Sir, and dear Principal Ma'am, and to the bright stars of the Delhi World Public School. We are so happy because we are celebrating you. Children, it's a very special day. Above all, you are unique and exceptional. The Delhi World Public School wishes you all a happy Children's Day.
Before we dive into today's celebrations, let's take the moment to pause, reflect, and seek blessings. After all, what is the best way to start this special day? Thanking God for gift of children, teachers, and joy of learning. But by these beautiful lines, I would like to invite Babu Sir for prayer.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all of you. I request everyone to join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat after me. Where the mind is without fear, the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tide is striving, such a storm toward perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into daily desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into elevating thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
May the hand of God always rest over you, and may His favor always shine upon you.
As you all gathered here, let's remember the importance of values that respect, responsibility, and dedication. These values shape who we are. With a lot of pride in our heart, I would like to invite Shashi Sir for pledge.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I request everyone to stretch your right arm forward and repeat after me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Let's carry the spirit of the pledge throughout our day.
Children, let's rise up to your feet, stand with unity as we are going to sing school anthem. This anthem represents the spirit, pride, and values the school holds. Now I would like to invite the choir team to lead us with school anthem.
Proud we are to carry that name.
Thank you, choir. Now I would like to invite Ravi sir for birthday wishes. Children, please sit.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all of you. We wish Sai Sri, grade 1, Gaganasri from grade 5, and Anji sir also today birthday. A very happy birthday from DWPS family.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless and keep you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
May I now call upon Vishnu sir and Umesh sir for today's significance of the day.
सुप्रभात। आज का दिन विशेष 14 नवंबर कार्तिक शुक्ल पक्ष गुरुवार आज बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। खासकर आज जागतिक मधुमेह दिन भी मनाया जाता है और राष्ट्रीय बाल दिवस भी मनाया जाता है। खास करके भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू, उनका जन्मदिन भी बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। खासकर भारत के प्रथम शिक्षा मंत्री मौलाना आज़ाद सर, उनका भी जन्मदिन मनाया जाता है। धन्यवाद।
Bonjour tout le monde. Can you say bonjour all of you? Bonjour means hi, hello, good morning. Bonjour tout le monde. Comment ça va? Today's aujourd'hui signification de la journée. Aujourd'hui nous célébrons la journée des enfants un an. C'est pourquoi Chacha Nehru on appelle Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Il aime beaucoup les enfants. C'est pourquoi nous célébrons les journées des enfants. Merci.
Thank you, Vishnu sir and Umesh sir. Before we dive into the remaining details, I would like to check if you all are in the right mood. And we have few riddles up our sleeves. Are you ready, dipsites? And here goes the first one. What has keys but can't open locks? Absolutely
Exactly.
right.
Here comes the second riddle. What has hands but can't clap? I repeat, what has hands but can't clap? Exactly. Sajina ma'am, our children are very talented.
Absolutely, sir. So these are easy ones. Let's step a higher order thinking capacity. What can travel around the world while staying in the corner?
And we are getting quick answers. Here we go for the next riddle. I have many teeth, but I can't eat. I repeat again. I have many teeth, but I can't bite. Who am I? Oh,
Well, here comes the next one. What's orange and sounds like parrot? Oh, not bad. Good one, buddy. God bless you.
here comes the next one. What gets wetter as it dries?
Oh,
Exactly, it's correct.
I think grade 1 to 4 are all right there. Well, let's get to the next one. What has one head, 1 foot, and 4 legs? Okay, you're right, it's chair, otherwise it's also a bed.
Exactly. What can you catch but can't throw? Yes, it's winter.
Perfect. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? And now I ask everyone to remain silent. Thank you so much. Okay, well, I hope this has put a small smile upon your face. Remember, grade 1 to 10, we celebrate you. We celebrate your goodness. We celebrate God's favor over your life.
Exactly, Sajid ma'am. You are real superheroes. You can make any day into adventurous. Today is yours day to enjoy, laugh, and like never before.
Remember, children, you are amazing, you are talented, you are exceptional. And believe in yourself. Remember that you can just soar high. Well, we've got something interesting lined up for you all today. Are you excited?
That's right. So get ready to make some noise. We are going to kick off today's celebration with something special. Children, brace yourself. You thought only you can rock the stage. See your teachers. They are going to steal your spotlights. Now I would like to invite teachers of DWPS for a melodious performance. Children are really excited.
बचपन बचपन प्यारा नटखट बचपन झिलमिलाती खुशियों का जैसे कोई दर्पण बचपन बचपन प्यारा नटखट बचपन झिलमिलाती खुशियों का जैसे कोई दर्पण गोल मोल सोल मोल की मेरी चिकी पिकी इनकी हंसी से ही सारी फुलवारियां खिलती चंदा सूरज को भी इनसे रोशनी है मिलती इनकी हंसी से ही सारी फुलवारियां खिलती चंदा सूरज को भी इनसे रोशनी है मिलती बचपन बचपन प्यारा नटखट बचपन झिलमिलाती खुशियों का जैसे कोई दर्पण बचपन बचपन प्यारा नटखट बचपन लाड प्यार का ये तो है कॉकटेल उड़न खटोला भी है और है छुक छुक करती रे से हमेशा करते हैं होके बेफिक्रे थोड़ा सबर करते हैं थोड़े से है बेसब्रे छोटा हो या हो बड़ा है सबसे इनका मेल छोटा हो या हो बड़ा है सबसे इनका मेल गोल मोल सोल मोल टीनी मीनी चिकी पिकी इनकी हंसी से ही सारी फुलवारियां खिलती चंदा सूरज को भी इनसे रोशनी है मिलती इनकी हंसी से ही सारी फुलवारियां
children, it is really melodious. Please give them a big round of applause.
The child in us is always alive. We all love to become little children, and bachpan is always nostalgic. Well, now we have the morning star of the Delhi World Public School, our teachers who are here to present a hilarious skit. Can all the students remain silent? Thank you, children.
प्यारे बच्चों, अब हम आपको ले चलते हैं गांव के एक स्कूल की कक्षा में, जहां टीचर बच्चों से कुछ सवाल पूछ रहा है। अरे बेटा, होमवर्क क्यों नहीं किया?
सर लाइट नहीं थी।
तो मोमबत्ती जला लेते।
सर माचिस नहीं थी।
क्यों? माचिस क्यों नहीं थी?
सर पूजा घर में रखी थी।
तो पूजा घर से ले लेनी थी।
सर नहाया नहीं था।
अब ये नहाए क्यों नहीं थे?
सर पानी नहीं था।
अरे ये पानी क्यों नहीं था?
सर मोटर नहीं चल रही थी।
अरे यार, ये मोटर क्यों नहीं चल रही थी?
सर कितनी बार बताऊं कि लाइट ही नहीं थी।
चुप नालायक, बैठ यहाँ। अच्छा कपिल, तुम बताओ मुझे कि अगर एक तरफ पैसा हो और दूसरी तरफ अकल, तो तुम क्या लोगे?
सर मैं तो पैसा ही चुनूंगा।
गलत। अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो अकल चुनता।
ठीक कहा सर आपने। जिसके पास जिस चीज की कमी होती है वो वही चुनता है।
हाँ अनुज, तुम खड़े हो जाओ, खड़े हो जाओ, शाबाश। अच्छा बेटा, ये बताओ कौन सी चिड़िया सबसे तेज उड़ती है?
सर हाथी।
चुप नालायक। अच्छा बेटा महेंद्र, एक बात तो बताओ, किसी साइंटिस्ट का नाम बोलो तो।
सर आलिया भट्ट।
आलिया भट्ट? नालायक, ये सिखा रहा हूं मैं तुम्हें।
नहीं नहीं सर, ये तो बचपन से ही तोतला है। इसका मतलब है आर्यभट्ट।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है, बैठो बैठो। अच्छा बेटा, तुम मुझे ये बताओ कि 1869 में क्या हुआ था?
सर गांधी जी का जन्म।
शाबाश शाबाश, बिल्कुल सही। अच्छा अब एक बात और बताओ कि 1872 में क्या हुआ था?
सर गांधी जी 3 साल के हो गए थे।
नालायक, ये सिखा रहा हूं मैं तुम्हें। देखो बच्चों, जो अपनी बात दूसरों को समझा ना सके वो गधा होता है।
सर क्या मतलब? मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया।
ओके, वन मोर वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन। नेम वन एनिमल फाउंड इन द डेजर्ट। प्लीज स्टैंड अप।
A camel.
Very good, very good. That's the right answer. Now tell me some other animal.
Another camel.
बैठो बैठो। अच्छा बच्चों, मैं तुम्हें एक बात बताऊं कि दिल्ली में कुतुब मीनार है। नालायक, बताओ मैं क्या कह रहा था?
सर आप कह रहे थे कि दिल्ली में कुत्ता बीमार है।
अच्छा कुलविंदर बेटा, तुम्हें जो कल लेसन याद करने को दिया था वो याद करके आए हो?
नहीं सर, नहीं कर पाया।
अरे क्यों नहीं कर पाए भाई?
सर लाइट चली गई थी।
तो क्या लाइट आई नहीं?
आई थी गुरुजी। गुरुजी जैसे ही मैं पढ़ने बैठा फिर से चली गई।
और उसके बाद फिर कभी लाइट आई ही नहीं?
गुरुजी आई तो थी, पर मैं इस डर से पढ़ने नहीं बैठा कि कहीं लाइट दोबारा ना चली जाए।
अच्छा विकेश बेटा, ए के बाद क्या आता है?
गुरुजी ए के बाद
क्या बोलती तू? अरे घूमेंगे फिरेंगे नाचेंगे गाएंगे ऐश करेंगे और क्या।
चुप नालायक, मैं तेरी जान निकाल दूंगा। इसको जरा इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करो।
तेरी इंग्लिश गई भाड़ में, तुमने हाथ तो लगा के दिखा।
देखो बेटा सुनील, जरा सोच समझ के जवाब दो। अच्छा, अब एक ऐसी कहानी सुनाओ जिससे हमें कुछ शिक्षा मिलती हो।
सर, मैंने जब उसको फोन किया तो उसने फोन नहीं उठाया, जब उसने मुझको फोन किया तो मैंने फोन नहीं उठाया। इससे ये शिक्षा मिलती है, जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी।
अच्छा बेटा सुनील, अब आखिरी सवाल, अगर तुम्हें मरने के बाद यमराज ये पूछे कि तुम स्वर्ग में जाओगे या नरक में, तो तुम कहां जाना पसंद करोगे?
गुरुजी, मैं यमराज को बोलूंगा कि पृथ्वी से मेरा मोबाइल और चार्जर मंगवा दे, फिर मैं कहीं भी रह लूंगा, चाहे मुझे स्वर्ग भेजो या नरक भेजो।
नलायको, खड़े हो जाओ। ये पढ़ाया मैंने तुम्हें आज तक, तुमने मेरा पूरा नाम मिट्टी में मिला दिया। तुम ऐसे नहीं मानोगे, मैं तुम्हें आज छिट्टी का दूध याद करा के छोड़ूंगा। गुरुजी, लाल कर दिया गुरुजी।
Well, I think that was unexpected. Let's give it up for all our teachers. Well, who knew under these chalk-stained suits and glasses, we have the multi-talented. Well, they are good at teaching as well as acting. Let's give it up once again for all our teachers. Thank you, children. And now that we are all in a good mood, we have something very exciting. We have teachers who've toiled really hard after the school hours, and here they are here to present a dance.
बेफिक्रे उड़े दिल बेफिक्रे अंगारों में निकले उड़े दिल बेफिक्रे उड़े दिल बेफिक्रे उड़े दिल बेफिक्रे अंगारों में निकले उड़े दिल बेफिक्रे रात भर झूमेंगे आसमां घूमेंगे चांदिये झूमेंगे तारों के मारेंगे फेरे उड़े दिल बेफिक्रे उड़े दिल बेफिक्रे अंगारों में निखरे उड़े दिल बेफिक्रे These nerves waves and seas and cats twaddle. रात का है अपना मजा, आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा। ओ इस रात का है अपना मजा, आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा। बैठा है क्या सीटी बजा, लुंगी पकड़ के जरा घूम जा।
ये डांस तेरा देख देख झटके लगे तेज तेज दिल सबका धक धक करे।
रंट लगा रे, मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे। रंट लगा रे, मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे। तुमका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे, मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे।
അഭിരാമിയെ കാലാട്ടും സ്വാമിയെ നാന്താനെ തിരിയുമാ. ശിവകാമിയെ ശിവനെയും പാതിയെ അതും ഉനക്ക് പുരിയുമാ. ശിവലാലി ലാലിയേ ലാലി ലാലിയേ അഭിരാമി ലാലിയേ ലാലി ലാലിയേ.
Please give a big round of applause for our talented teachers.
I think they've put in a lot of effort just to show that they love you, they care about you, and they're concerned about every detail that concerns you. To all the teachers, let's give it up once again for them. Without further ado, may I now invite our principal ma'am, Dr. N. Janvi Reddy, to share her words of wisdom and inspiration on the occasion.
Thank you, Bunny. Respected Chairman, sir, my dear team and beloved students, good morning. Hope you all had very good time, right? Yes. Children, today is Children's Day. That means it is yours. Today is yours. So if you stand, take a moment and reflect, what exactly means how to be a child? There are few qualities are there. Everyone, what they will say? Children are the future. Not only just future, present. They are the endless potential with creativity. So children, today I want to give a piece of advice. If you want to be a successful individual in your life, there are few qualities which plays a pivotal role. So just I will brief those 4 qualities which plays very, very important role in one's life. You should have right attitude, positive mindset, being humble and character. If you imbibe these 4 qualities into your life, you are the perfect individual. The people who has right attitude, the way they see the world will be different. They will see only the good. From any situation, they will pick only the good. And they will talk good. They would like to listen good. So definitely, everything will be good. So those people with right attitude, they will welcome each and every individual whom they want to visit, whom they want to talk to them. They are approachable. If you have positive mindset, you can learn from experience. It is not mandatory that you have to experience each and everything and then you can learn from the experience. It's not like that, children. By seeing others' experiences also, you can learn the things and you can grow. And positive mindset people, they don't have any ego problems. They are ever ready to learn. Each and every day they want to learn something or the other new things. being humble. Today, whatever position we are, or in the future, whatever we might be, but we have to be grounded, we have to be so humble. The mindset of such people, how it will be, not only we, others are also talented. The people who are humble, they will think that even other person is equally talented like me. So, they will learn the things from each and every person. Character. Character is who we are in the absence of people. When there is no one that shows our real character. When the teachers are there, how we behave. In the absence of teachers, how we behave. That matters a lot. If there is a flip in the character, in the presence or absence of the people, then this is the right time for you to reflect. There should not be any flip in the character. You should be one. Because each and every student is unique. These are the few characteristics which you have to imbibe into your lives. Then you are the best individual. With these 4 qualities, children, you are going to make a difference. Definitely you will make a difference in this world. Once again, children, happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such thoughtful words. The humble are always exalted, and character is the essence of life. Thank you so much, ma'am. Let's all give it up for Principal, ma'am.
The national anthem is a reminder to uphold the values of freedom, unity, and peace. With a lot of respect, please rise up to your feet for national anthem. I would like to invite the choir team to lead us with national anthem.
As we wind up the celebration, let's remember that every day is a Children's Day. We just don't celebrate you today, but every day. Remember, children, you are our future. Drive in curiosity with a bright mind and mix in the will for the right reason.
For one last time, please give a big round of applause for our talented teachers. Thank you so much, and once again, happy Children's Day.
And for everybody, let's give a big round of applause to the entire gathering for this morning. Thank you for being a part of this beautiful celebration. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you all.